What's the meaning of bob? Bob. Bob.
Bob. Bob. Bob is a common given name for males. Its meaning varies depending on the source, but it is generally believed to be a short form of Robert, which means bright fame in Germanic languages. Bob is also sometimes believed to be derived from the word bobbin, which refers to a small spool used for sewing or weaving. In contemporary culture, the name Bob is often associated with people who are easygoing and laid back. The name has been used in various popular culture references, including the television series Twin Peaks and the film What About Bob? Overall, Bob is a familiar and widely recognized name with both traditional and modern meanings.